Good morning, students. Myself, Shruti Kashyap, faculty of Arya College of Engineering and IT. Today, we are going to start unit number 5 of power electronics, that is motor control. Now, first of all, let us we discuss about the unit number 5, in which we studies about the how to control speed of motor. So, today topic is basic of electric motor. First of all, what is the electrical motor? Electric motor is basically it is an electromagnetical machine which convert the electrical energy into the mechanical energy. Now, what is it? Now, the types of electric motor. Electric motors is divided according to power supply, that is the two parts, that is the alternating current and DC current. And AC current motor is further divided in two types, synchronous and induction. And induction motor is further divided in two types, single phase and three phase. And DC motor is divided in two types, separately excited and self-excited. And self-excited motor is further divided in three types, series, compound, shunt. Now, first we discuss about the AC motor. Now, AC motor is consist of two parts, that is the rotor and starter. Basically, starter in AC motor related to armature field and the rotor is related to magnetic field. In AC motor, armature, it means the starter is kept stationary and the rotor is kept rotation according to magnetic field. What is the difference between synchronous and induction? Synchronous motor is not self-starting, but induction motor is self-starting, and the speed control is not possible in synchronous motor, but in induction motor speed control is possible. And synchronous motor is costly and induction motor is cheap. Now, induction motor according to power supplies it is a one phase and three phase. Now we discuss about the DC motor. DC motor consists the two part, that is the armature windings and field windings. What is the armature winding? Armature winding is main current carrying windings in which the EMF induced, and the field windings that generate the magnetic field. So according to how to arrange armature windings and field winding with the supply voltage, we divided the cell in two types, separately excited and self-excited. In separately excited DC motor, field windings are energized by separate DC source, and in self-excited motor, in this motor the winding is supplied by the machine or motor itself. Now, self-excited motor ke how we provide itself according to arrangement. It is divided in series, compound and shunt. In series, armature and field windings connected in series. In shunt windings, the field windings is connected in parallel with the armature windings. And in the compound, the DC motor having both shunt and series field winding is called compound motor. Now, why we control the speed of motor? So, starting and stopping the motor, selecting forward and reverse rotation, selecting and regulating the speed, regulation or limiting the torque, and protection against the overload and electric fault. So, what is the torque? Torque is the twisting force In other words, we can say rotational force developed by the motor.